Hello there everyone, I hope you are having a great day. Today I would like to take you through another video inspired by the beauty of this Revolution Reloaded palette, as well as the Revolution Live on the Dancefloor palette, together with the green from the Revolution Mermaid's palette. So for this I have been using all these three palettes plus these SoSu lashes, which will be applied in the end, together with the six brushes you see there, and several items I'm going to take you through as we go through the video. So after applying the MAC Concealer MC15, as I tend to do always, I set it with a Chacha beige from the Revolution Live on the Dancefloor palette. That's it. I don't need this palette anymore because most of the colors will be used from the Revolution Reloaded palette and then the Revolution Mermaid's Heart palette. So I start applying the lightest green, which comes from the Reloaded palette, and afterwards I'll be using this medium brush for applying the darkest shades of the green from the two different palettes. I will later on be applying the Barry M White from a small pot which has this white shimmer powder, so I'll be applying it with two different brushes in order to set it correctly in the inner eye area. It is a beautiful color in real life, and afterwards I will start applying the collection black eyeliner, which I love so much. I gave up on the other types of eyeliners because they're not as good as the collection one. After applying this, I'll be using the silver glitter gel from the palette, which I showed to you in a different video when I purchased it last week. It is simply gorgeous, just like all the other glitters from the set, and the value was just brilliant. At around £12, you can't complain. I also applied some green on the lower lashes. I'm not keen on applying much color on the lower lashes because otherwise it's going to make my eyes even droopier than normally. And the look is completely completed with the Primark SoSu lashes. I recently purchased more lashes, as I showed you in a different video, and I can't wait to start using. So what do you do with this look after you made it? Well, you can go clubbing, or you can take it off and go and do your charity work, helping children from disadvantaged backgrounds with learning and understanding mathematics the way I do. So that's it, really. I hope this information was of any help to you. Keep in touch with me and have a nice day.